working on this set particularly, I feel that we have been, all of us have been very fortunate because they were always open for, you know, your suggestions and what you can bring on the table. I feel that, you know, very few, or maybe my experience says that, you know, I've been very fortunate to work with the directors like this, you know, and when there is a room to perform, no, you can put in your efforts also to make what your director sees in you or in that character. It's his baby at the end of the day. He has written it. He has imagined that character in particular way. But when you feel that, you know, as an actor, when you take that character in you, you sometimes feel that, okay, I can do this like this, you know, can I give you a suggestion? He was always open, even Tushar sir. It's been very, very chill shoot, I would say. That even though we were doing some action-packed scenes or maybe emotional scenes or whatever, we never felt that heaviness, you know, off camera. We were working as a team to make that project work for everybody. So I think, yeah, that was the scenario. And when you work for a project, as you know, you culminate everything to make that project, you know, a success, not just your character. I feel that your work is done. So I think we all worked in that direction.
Again, Abbas sir, Abbas Ali Mughal, who's done all the action for the show. Just what an amazing guy to work with. What an amazing talent, legend from the industry. So, what I mean, it's supposed to entertain you. I'm hoping you've been entertained. This is movie magic. There are things that we should not talk about. If you're creating magic, why speak about it?
True. You never give your tricks.
Yeah, you don't need to put that. You
It's
know,
best to experience.
Yes.
Yeah, I guess you should be as shocked and you should feel कि मीमो hurt तो नहीं हुआ, आकांक्षा hurt तो नहीं हुआ, इतना तक सही है, I think. But I think I'd give all my love to Abbas sir for being what an amazing, you know, action director, action designer for this show. If you see, there's a lot of action and he's made it so comfortable for everybody, even for the directors to be on set, taking calls, speaking, continuously being in, you know, in dialogue with each other कि कैसा चाहिए, कैसा चाहिए. So yeah, I think again the audiences is gonna kind of react whether the action has come out well or not. But I think I'm really happy with how the action has come out. And I think the actors will also chime in.
Yeah, because it's बहुत rare होता है सर. जैसे अभी you know Deepak Maza said कि सब लोग एक दूसरे के साथ comfortable थे. There were no egos. There were no positions. There were no मेरा या तेरा. It was all about unison. It was khaki. You know, khaki means everyone. You know, I've been very fortunate enough to work with Abbas Bhai, like my first Haunted. I'm shooting the sequel now. Abbas Bhai is there. Khaki Abbas Bhai was there. You know, Enemy I did with Dad. Abbas Bhai was there. So what Deepak Das said, you know, that man is a living legend. He knows every shot. He knows how to break it down. He knows the tricks. You know, jo aap dekh rahe hain. And to handle so many people, the guns, the bullets, the action, the tension, and to give that beautiful, you know, picture, it's only Abbas Bhai. Only Abbas Bhai can do that.
I'll just add in a little bit.
Yeah, sure.
Like you said, when you come on set, there was no feeling of coming on set or anything. I think it was, at one point in time, it was like a family. You meet up in the morning, do breakfast together. चलो आज ये shoot करना है, चलो निकलते हैं. वैसे it was almost like a छोटा सा picnic that we went on for. कि चलो आज ये है, कौन क्या कर रहा है, चलो डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. ये है lines, सबको lines मिल गए, चलो कर लेते हैं ये. So I think that's the best way to work in any situation. I mean, when you feel like how Jeetda also added, it doesn't feel like work. You come on set, it's like वो towards the end of school ना आपको लगता है कि यार ये छोड़ के नहीं जाना चाहिए. वैसा वाला to the point, it's so bittersweet कि यार it's coming to an end वाला feeling हो जाता है कि यार. So throughout the shoot na, it almost felt like a very long, beautiful picnic. You're all shooting with each other, killing each other. So much fun.
Hitting each other, firing at each other.
Fighting with each other, but so much fun. I mean, what a memorable experience.
Absolutely.
No, when I go for work, I don't look for comfort. सीधी बात ये है कि मैं जाता हूँ काम करने के लिए. और आकांक्षा ने जैसे कहा, बिल्कुल सही कहा. उसमें सिर्फ एक दो चीज़ें मैं जोड़ना चाहूँगा कि अगर डायरेक्टर या मेकर्स वो अगर आपसे कुछ निकालना चाहते हैं, अगर वो ओपन है तो एक्टर या टैलेंट क्या सोच रहा है वो सोच अगर डायरेक्टर के दिमाग तक या उसके विजन तक पहुंचाया जा सकता है, और अगर वो डायरेक्टर की विजन को 2%, 5%, 10% कुछ भी जोड़ सकता है, तो फिर उस एक्टर को लाने का मतलब भी जो है ना वो स्ट्रांग खड़ा हो जाता है कि हाँ मैंने इसको लाया, सही किया। अगर आप वो जोड़ ही नहीं पाते हैं 5%, 10%, सिर्फ पपेट की तरह काम कर रहे हैं, तो फिर आपके दिन भी गिने चुने ही रहते हैं, फिर उस डायरेक्टर के साथ रिश्ते भी गिने चुने ही रह जाते हैं।
Who doesn't like to be surprised? I mean, as directors,
सही गलत बोला क्या?
we imagine a character and come on set, and if an actor surprises you, I mean, what better gift can you get?
True.
Because actor is also a creative person, he is also visualizing the scene, no, when you read it. तो उसने क्या सोचा है, अगर ये डायरेक्टर ओपन है सुनने के लिए, तो इससे खूबसूरत बात कुछ नहीं हो सकती है, क्योंकि हम टीम वर्क में काम करते हैं, हम सब चाहते हैं कि हाँ एक दूसरे को रेसिप्रोकल रहे, एक दूसरे को सुने समझे और उसके बाद आगे बढ़ें।
आप जो कंफर्ट की बात कर रहे हैं ना, मैं ऐड करना चाहूंगी कि हम लोग ऐसे थे सेट पे कि हमें कंफर्ट नहीं, हमें डिस्कम्फर्ट चाहिए था। आप हमें वैनिटी में मत बुलाओ, आप हमें बस काम करवा लो। सो वी ऑलवेज लुक फॉरवर्ड टू गो ऑन सेट एंड क्रिएट समथिंग। सो आई थिंक वी नेवर लुक्ड फॉर कंफर्ट, वी ओनली लुक्ड फॉर मोर एंड मोर वर्क इज व्हाट
हाउ टू गेट इट राइट। जो सीन डिमांड कर रहा है, जो डायरेक्टर डिमांड कर रहा है, मेकर्स डिमांड कर रहे हैं, उस तक कैसे पहुंचा जाए और उसको कैसे बेहतर किया जाए, बस यही था।
Because in the end क्या है कि it's our duty as actors to deliver it to the director. चलो ऑडियंस तो देखेगी, बट इनको तो पहले डिलीवर कर दे, ये खुश है तो फिर ऑडियंस खुश होगी।
और इन्होंने लिखा भी है, तो इंसेप्शन से इनको पता है कि वो क्या लिख रहे हैं, क्या देख रहे हैं, तो हमको सिर्फ कोशिश करनी है कि उन जो देख रहे हैं उसको मीट करना बस, और उसमें अगर एनहांस कर पाए, कुछ जोड़ पाए, जो मैंने कहा बस सही है ना, आगे बढ़ते हैं।
Perfect.
इसका जो वो धूप वाली ना आपने आधी अधूरी बोल दी, उसको सुन के खत्म करते हैं।
जी
अरे बाप
प्लीज
धूप वाली
हाँ,
line
आप
जो है।
लाइन ले लो, वो बहुत अच्छा था। करेक्ट।
सफलता के सफर में धूप बहुत काम आई, छाँव अगर होती तो कब के सो गए होते।
हाँ जी।
एंड सिर्फ ये कहना चाहूंगा कि प्लीज
Watch
बंगाल
Khaki.
चैप्टर, यस खाकी द बंगाल चैप्टर, एंड प्लीज गिव अस योर लव।
Yeah.
आपके प्यार की वजह से हम लोग यहाँ पर बैठे।
I'm sure there's a lot of coming to your way. Everyone's way.
Everyone's way, everyone's way.
Thank you.